Observe the following sentences. My father is an athlete. The village seemed an desolate place. Marie Curie is the name of the famous scientist. In the first sentence, the noun phrase an athlete describes the subject and follows the linking verb is. Linking verb means helping verb. Likewise, in the second and third sentences, the noun phrases in red follows the linking verbs and provide essential information about the subject. अब जब फ्रेज एक लिंकिंग वर्ब को फॉलो कर रहा है तो वो सब्जेक्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट होगा. When, in this case, the noun phrase performs the function of a subject complement by completing the meaning suggested by the verb. जब phrase linking verb को follow करेगा तब होगा वो subject complement. For example, my teacher was a retired engineer. Our football team is the new world champion. There are the notorious monkeys from the nearby forest. तीनों ही एग्जाम्पल में लिंकिंग वर्ब को फ्रेज फॉलो कर रहा है. Was, is, are. So, now observe the following sentences. The teacher considers Zubin a very good student. They recently elected him the club's vice president. These days, the youth consider their friends their second family. In the first sentence, the noun phrase a very good student directly follows the object Zubin and gives information about it. Similarly, in the second and third sentences, the noun phrase refers to the objects and functions as object complement. जब एक noun phrase object को follow कर रहा है, जैसे यहाँ पर Zubin, him, their friends, उसके बाद noun phrase है, तब हम बोलेंगे object complement. Now we will start fifth exercise. Underline the noun phrases that functions as subject complement or object complement. Write CS for subject complement and CO for object complement. The new Audi car was an anniversary present. An anniversary present is followed by the linking verb. So वो क्या होगा? Subject complement. The dean named Dr. Gill the new head of the department. The new head of the department phrase है और वो एक object को follow कर रहा है Dr. Gill. So वो क्या होगा? Object complement. This red velvet cake is the best dessert in this bakery. So the best dessert is linking verb को follow कर रहा है तो वो क्या होगा? Subject complement. The students perceived the character of Miss Trunchbull a detector. Miss Trunchbull एक object को follow कर रहा है. So वो क्या होगा? Object complement. Now from E to H is in homework. Let us read the following sentences. The tigers were driven out of the city. The sailors were caught unaware by the albatross. The man was released from the central prison. अब ये सारे phrase जो हैं वो preposition को follow कर रहे हैं. Of, by, from. In the first sentence, the noun phrase the city follows the preposition out of and helps complete the meaning of the preposition. Likewise, in the second and third sentences, the noun phrase support the position of the prepositions. If we use these prepositions to ask out of what, by what, from what, we get these noun phrase as the answers. Thus, these noun phrase functions as the object of a preposition in the sentence. Now, object of the preposition कब पता चलेगा? जब एक noun phrase preposition को follow कर रहा है. Now, the bookstore is across the ancient cathedral. The movie, an imitation game is based on a true story. Anacondas are found in the Amazon rainforest. Now we will start sixth exercise. Underline the noun phrases in the following sentences and write the function they perform. There may be more than one noun phrase in the sentence. First, I consider her my best friend. Now my best friend phrase है, noun phrase है, her object है, so क्या होगा my best friend? Object complement. The book is very interesting. The book is noun phrase and it's in the subject position, so वो क्या होगा? Subject. She gifted her father a hat. Now gifted what? A hat. A hat क्या होगा? Direct object. To whom? Her father. So वो क्या होगा? Indirect object. Kiran had lunch with his friends. With his friends. So with क्या है? Preposition है. So his friend क्या होगा? Object of preposition. Now from E to H is in homework. Now 7th exercise. Complete the sentences given below with appropriate noun phrase. First, they are in dash. They are in the library. She came with her mother for the meeting. Dash ran outside to play. The children ran outside to play. I would like to buy a sari. Now from E to H is in homework. 8 number exercise. Frame sentences using given noun phrases as per the functions mentioned in bracket. ये एक्सरसाइज आपको नोटबुक में करनी है. आपको नाउन फ्रेज दिया हुआ है और फंक्शन आपको ब्रैकेट में दिया हुआ है कि आपको कैसे सेंटेंस बनाना है. द एंड ऑफ द स्ट्रीट, ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ अ प्रपोजिशन. तो हम क्या बनाएंगे सेंटेंस? माई सिस्टर वॉज वेटिंग फॉर अस एट द एंड ऑफ द स्ट्रीट. सेकेंड, वास्ट ब्यूटिफुल गार्डन, डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. वास्ट ब्यूटीफुल गार्डन जो है वो डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट होना चाहिए सेंटेंस में. तो माई ग्रैंड मदर हैज कल्टिवेटेड अ वास्ट ब्यूटीफुल गार्डन आउटसाइड हर हाउस. हर मदर, इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. अब सेंटेंस में हर मदर जो है उसकी पोजीशन क्या होनी चाहिए? इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट होना चाहिए. तो राम्या परचेस्ड अ डायमंड नेकलेस फॉर हर मदर. 20 eggs, subject complement. So we will write there were 20 eggs in the basket. Now from E to H is in homework.